This story sounds very simple. You can enjoy every moment. Part 1. Breaking the Rules. The new captain.
The classroom is quiet. A teacher jumps onto the desk. Books shake on the desks. Students stare at him. He says, "Rip it out." Faces freeze in shock. They look at each other. They think he is serious. They think he is serious. One student tears a page. More hands follow. Paper sounds fill the room. A trash can appears. Pages fall inside. Rules break inside the room. Rules break inside the room. Poetry feels alive. Poetry feels alive. It speaks from the heart. It speaks from the heart. It shows meaning of life. It shows meaning of life. He steps onto the desk again. Students follow his move. They see the world change. They see the world change. This teacher feels different. This teacher feels different. The school looks strict. Old walls stand tall. No teacher acts like this here. This strange man will change lives. This strange man will change lives. His name is Keating. He is new here. The school accepts only boys. Even teachers are men. Parents sit in fine suits. They want success for sons. They want success for sons. The headmaster speaks on stage. He lists for rules. Tradition, honor, discipline, excellence. These words feel heavy. These words feel heavy. Students sit without smiles. A new boy arrives. His name is Todd. His brother was perfect. Todd feels small inside. Todd feels small inside. He doubts his own voice. He doubts his own voice. A bright boy greets him. His name is Neil. He smiles with ease. Friendship starts that night. Friendship starts that night. Friends joke about rules. Laughter fills the room. A father steps inside. He stops club plans. Neil wants to speak. Neil wants to speak. Fear closes his mouth. Fear closes his mouth. Classes feel harsh. Homework piles up. Words repeat again. Young faces lose light. Young faces lose light. Keating walks in whistling. Students sit straight. He leads them out. The honor room waits. Curiosity wakes up. Curiosity wakes up. Keating smiles and speaks. Call me Captain. Call me Captain. A poem is read aloud. Old photos watch silently. Faces from the past smile. Time has taken them. Time has taken them. Students lean closer. They hear a whisper. They hear a whisper. Seize the day. Seize the day. The words sink deep. The words sink deep. Todd writes it down. Todd writes it down. He then throws it away. He then throws it away. Neil opens an old book. A secret name appears. Dead Poets Society. They ask Keating at night. He recalls secret meetings. He recalls secret meetings. Poems echo in a cave. Words touch the soul. Words touch the soul. He burns the book. Loss shadows his face. Loss shadows his face. Neil chooses to revive it. Neil chooses to revive it. Todd feels afraid at first. Todd feels afraid at first. He fears his own voice. He fears his own voice. Courage slowly grows. Courage slowly grows. Night covers the school. Black cloaks move outside. A cave opens wide. Poems rise with firelight. Pressure fades away. Pressure fades away. Freedom fills the air. Freedom fills the air. Todd starts to dance. Todd starts to dance. Life feels alive again. Life feels alive again.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.